Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Toto Frank, your brother and your friend. In this particular video, I want to show you how you can set up your account on QuickBooks Online Accounting. So I'm going to send to you on the group this particular URL where you're going to click on to get to the screen. Now, once you get to the screen, you see all these messages about QuickBooks. You just need to scroll down. To create your account, you scroll down, you can see what QuickBooks does, invoicing, expenses report. Just keep going down to where you have this plan, where you have to choose your plan. We have simple start, we have essential, and we have plus. And the three of them has 30 days try option where we can use it for 30 days without paying. Now, if you check down, you see that the plus has the most amazing features because in plus you can track inventory, you can create purchase order, you can track project jobs, job profitability, and you can as well go forward. As in, this can be used by 5 users plus an accountant. So this option is actually the best option here. So what you do is to click on 30 days try. When you click on 30 days try, it's going to load. Now, when it loads to a page, you need to make sure you have your email address, which you have not used before on QuickBooks if you are creating a new account. So you come over here and click here, you put the email address. I will put one of my email. So you type your email here. You come down here and put your first name, and then your phone number. If the country is not Nigeria, you have to select it to Nigeria before typing your phone number. Then you put a password. Your password must be strong, at least 8 characters, at least one uppercase, one lowercase, and special character numbers. It must be very strong. So I just put a password here. I come down here to confirm the password. And then I'll come down here. They said I would like to receive helpful marketing. If you don't need this mails and whatever adverts, you can uncheck this box. And then you click on start free trial. Once you click there, it's going to load for a while. And then you have this instantly see your profit. So all these messages will just pop up for participant of the application. I can save this so that I can always log in, but if you're not using your secure system, you shouldn't try saving it. You only save it if you're using your secured system, like your personal system that is secured with password, not just any system like Cyber Cafe. So I'm working on this. This is loading right away, and it will soon be done. All right, the next thing is it will take you straight to your dashboard where you're going to see the QuickBooks dashboard. We have the dashboard up here. We have banking. These are the different tabs we have here. We have dashboard, we have banking, we have sales, we have expenses, employees, reports, taxes, we have accounting and apps, we have sales. So first thing you have to tell us about your business. So I just come here and I can call this Tudor. Let me just do Tudor Electronic. That's the name of the business. I want to use QuickBooks to manage Tudor Electronic Limited. Okay. What type of business do you have? I will say this is sole trader. Okay. How long have you been in business? I can choose anything here. The industry type, I will say my industry is into. All right, I'm looking for something I can just put here. Manufacturing, no. Retail trade, food and beverage retail trade, no. wholesale thread. All right, I just put that, or order anything. Then I click next. When I click next, I'm going to be asked to choose what I would love to be doing with QuickBooks. So I will say I would love to be doing almost everything. I have to tick there again. It was already ticked. So I'll be doing everything you see here. I'll be sending and tracking voice. I'll be organizing expenses. I'll be tracking facts. I will track retail sales. I will pay my employee. I will manage inventory, and I will as well track bills. So I click next. When I click next, what will load will be this one asking me, what do you use FATs? As in, do you use FATs for invoice and expenses? I can simply say no, I don't use FATs, so that the setting of FAT will automatically be disabled. But if you're using FAT, you have to choose yes, and you have to determine the save time. Hmm? You have to determine the category of your receipts up here, as in your FAT category down here. So I'll come down here and click on done. But if you're not sure of this, because this information have to come from your company, you need to ask your company how to set up this. If you're not sure about this, you can just say skip this step. Then later on you can set it up. Here we just said done. So it takes me straight to my dashboard, and the next thing I want to do is to carry out some settings that will enable me shorten that will enable me make this layout a little bit comfortable. You can see my name. I mean, the email is what is appearing here, not the company's name. So in the next video, I will show you how I walk you around the environment and show you how to set up your profile to be presentable on QuickBooks Online Accounting. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. I am Tudo Frank, and God bless you.